whole system is modular. Underground, behind the walls, and on the ceilings. Move from an idea to an actual concept in the shortest time span possible. Hello world! Today I'm wearing white, and you're gonna understand why in just about a minute. We're now at underground level. As you can see, it looks slightly different than last time. Behind this wall there is an empty gap, rock wall, therm and acoustic insulation. So yeah, the room is almost ready. This is room number 1, and we also have on the other side a room 2. As you can see, it's almost done as well. Let me show you a couple of interesting details. As you can see, the whole room is basically set up to be used without running cables. So everything has been already pre-wired. This will enable us to work without having cables running around on the floor or on the walls. The whole structure has been created and lives underground, behind the walls, and on the ceilings. As you can see, the entire room is filled with small little boxes, and then there are some big ones like this one behind me, and another one, actually other 2 over there. So the advantage of these boxes is that they function as gigantic plugs, if you will. You can plug any kind of instrument or mixer or other pieces of equipment for audio, video, and photography production. So you can literally take something from this end of the studio and plug it right at the other end, and you're good to go. The whole system is modular, so this opens up new doors to pilot different kind of workflows. We can essentially structure and prepare the studio and use it around the projects we are working on. So if a certain project requires a certain layout, well, we can create that very fast. The idea behind this studio was to create an environment that is flexible enough to move from an idea to an actual concept in the shortest time span possible, because usually that's the time frame within which you forget about your ideas, or you get trapped into something else. Maybe you have to set up all the equipment, and then by the time you're ready to start, you already forgot what you were supposed to work on. So that's the main thinking behind the construction of this studio, and we're almost there. Now what's left it's probably the funniest part and the most entertaining, at least for me, which is painting. As you can see from my fingers, I have already started, and from my glasses as well. I don't want to say we are at the end of it, because there's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but we're getting there. Done, as you can see. Well, let me show you around. This is how it looks now. Ta-da! All nice and white. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'll keep sharing more updates on the construction of the XYZ underground level. It's gonna be cool. And as usual, stay tuned. Bye!